Welcome back to my channel, NaturallyTheUni. This video is going to be about my middle Upart wig. In this video, I'm installing my Upart wig that I made by my very talented self. Purple is my favorite color and I just love wearing purple hair. The hair is Brazilian body wave. I dyed the hair myself. The length is 16 inches. If you want me to do a video on how I make a Upart wig, I will get to it. Just comment down below. Before the video, I already braided and greased my hair and styled the Upart wig. I had flexi rods sit in the hair days prior to the video, and I didn't put any product on the hair either. First, I put the Upart wig on and make sure everything is lined up and in place. I got the hair out of the way. I started in the middle of the part and started sewing until I got all the way around to the back. I sewed closest to the edge of the braid as I could so that none of the braid was showing. Just in case the hair did show, I had an extra track that was cut to the sides of my part so I could glue it on top so you would not be able to see the tracks. When I was making my Upart wig, I sewed a track under the wig elastic band so that I could wear my hair up when I choose to. I sew right above the track. I make sure not to sew on the elastic. Then after I'm finished sewing, I knot the thread on that side. Cut the thread and move to the next side of my head and do the same thing, starting at the middle of my part, just going down on the other side of my head. I'm so afraid of love. Shit, what the fuck you complaining for?
to you. I don't know how to ask you if you're okay. My friends always feel the need to tell me things. Seems like they're just happier than us these days. These days I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to be there when you need me. It feels like the only time you see me is when you turn your head to the side and look at me differently. And last night I think I lost.
Now that I'm done sewing down my Upart wig, I'm going to put some heat protectant down on my leave out and my edges. I brush the edges down with my toothbrush. Don't worry, I only use this toothbrush for my hair. It is not going on anybody's teeth. I did not take anybody's toothbrush and start using it on my edges. I have a toothbrush just for my hair.
Last night, I got high as the expectations. Last night, I came to a realization, and I hope you can take it.
I flat ironed my leave out and rubbed some of the wax stick that I use on my edges. After I flat ironed my leave out, I rubbed this wax stick that I have been using on my hair for the past 2 years, and I just love it. I'll insert a picture of everything that I used in my hair, and I will put the items in the description below.
I hope you can take it all. I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand it. No, I'm too good to you. I'm way too good to you. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand it.
I just know I found myself getting lost with you. Lately you just made me work too hard for you. Got me on flight overseas and I still can't get across to you. Last night, I think I lost my patience last night. I got high as expectations.
After I do that, I tie down my hair and I went and did my makeup.
Last night, I came to a realization, and I hope you can take.
Now that my makeup's done, I'm going to flat iron my hair with the weave so that it blends better, as you can see in the video.
But baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another player on a hit list, trying to fix your inner issues with a bad bitch.
Didn't they tell you that I was a savage?
Fuck you, white hoes in your carriage, but you never could imagine. Never told you you could have it.
Okay, thanks for watching. Now I'm done, and I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe, like, and comment down below what you would like to see from me.